Hello? Hey, baby, what's up? You haven't called me in a minute, so I wasn't expecting a call from you. I figured you were too busy in your studies again. I'm just now walking into my house. This morning was a little hectic for me. I had to run to the store to grab some extra supplies for work. Seems like I'm just getting more and more clients as of lately. But anyway, enough about me. Go on and tell me all about what's on your mind. Oh, I see. I figured that there was something bothering you. I'm not surprised. But I'm glad you called me. I was getting a little worried. You haven't really been answering my messages lately, so I figured something was up. I have an idea. I know you like hanging out in cafes, but I know you haven't been to a local one in a while. How do I know? Babe, you're always complaining that you want to go to a nice cafe, but you don't want to spend a lot on coffee or breakfast. Which is completely fair. I mean, look at the prices from all the mainstream stores now. But you're not good at hiding what you like. I mean, I could also call you out on your frugal tendencies when we shop, but I won't go there for your sake. I'm not trying to call you out, baby. I'm just saying I know you like saving money. And that is an important asset to have, but I feel like there are times in life where you should relax and not worry about every dollar. Granted, I know that not everyone can do that, but you make about the same amount of money as me. With the way that you spend your money and still have a good bit of savings, I know that spending an extra $10 to $20 won't hurt your bank account. In fact, how about an offer? I have some paperwork that I need to finish for work, but I was feeling a little exhausted. If you come with me to one of my favorite cafes, I'll treat you to whatever you want on the menu. And you can talk about whatever's on your mind. How about that? Sounds good? Great. Okay. Are you home? All right, perfect. I'll send you the address and meet up with you in an hour. Since this is our first date in a while, I have to make sure I look my best just for you. All right. Bye-bye. Hey, baby. How do I look? Pretty cute, right? Aw, thank you. I tried to look cute but casual for our date. I know that my wardrobe contains a lot of flashy clothes, so I toned it down a bit. I'm glad that you like it. Alright, let's not talk out here. Let's go inside. I want you to see how cozy this cafe is. Oh, it's pretty quiet in here today. I probably will keep my voice down now so that I don't disturb anyone. So, where did you want to sit? I'm fine with anywhere. Okay, let's head over. I already have in mind what I want to purchase, so whenever you're ready, let me know, okay? And tell me what you're actually wanting to try. Not something that's cheap just because you don't want me to treat you, alright? That's what you said last time, and you didn't get exactly what you wanted, now did you? Okay. I just want to make sure that you get what you want this time. Also, I brought my laptop with me so that I can type up the rest of my stuff. So don't mind me if I don't look up often. I'm still listening. I just don't usually talk and type, so I have to look at the screen. I know you're not used to doing the talking, so if at any point where you don't know what to say or you feel like you want a moment of silence, just let me know. Ooh, I will say this. My favorite items to get with how hot the weather is lately is just a grande mocha frap for a drink, and then for food I get a BLT and a brownie. I know, you don't have to say it. Just tell me if there's something that you like on the menu. Oh, I thought you were going to talk about what was on your mind. Was there a change of thought that I didn't know about? you just wanted me to be in your company. Aw, babe, you're such a flatterer. Do I really make you feel that comfortable? Oh, I understand. Well, my ears are all open if you still want to talk about whatever's troubling you. Unless you just wanted to hear me talk like you usually do, but it's all totally up to you. Babe, I've been meaning to ask you something. Can you pick me up from Rolanda's next Friday? She invited me to a get-together. I was told there'd be drinks, and you know I couldn't deny a fun time. It'd be around 7 p.m. I don't think I would be there for long. I love her, but I'd like to spend some time with my adorable cutie. Plus, I get a little lonely when I'm away from you and your adorable smile. I'd want some cuddles, maybe watch a movie all curled into a blanket together, maybe even try some new positions under the sheets at night. Oh, you seem a little flustered. Was that too much? I just like spending time with my partner. We haven't seen each other for a bit, with all the work that we've had. That's why I want to spend as much of today as possible with you. Ooh, speaking of spending time with you, we didn't decide what we'd do for our next date. One of our actual planned dates, not the sporadic ones, you know. So, I was thinking, there's a fair coming into town. They've already started setting things up a few days ago. Ugh, babe. I've been craving to go to a fair for forever. I need to go. That, and I just love the snacks they have at fairs. They taste so good. Babe, you have to come with me. We'd have so much fun. We also haven't been taking pictures as much as we should. Pictures of us on a date at the fair would be so cute. Don't you agree? Exactly. So you have to go with me. Will you go with me? Oh, is it because you're trying to save money still? I'll pay for you if that's what you're worried about. It was my idea anyway. In fact, I'll treat you at the fair too. I'll give you whatever snacks you want. It was my idea anyway. So what do you say now? Thank you. We're gonna have so much fun, I just know it. We should plan more about it later. Anyway, have you decided on what you wanted to drink, or did I talk your ears off just now? I'm sorry, I figured. Go on and decide what you want. I'll be here. Oh, you decided? Perfect. Okay, tell me what it is, and I'll go put it in the order. Okay. Alright, baby. I'll be right back. Alright, here's your drink and food, and here's mine. This tastes a lot better than I remember. Maybe it's just because I'm with you. Did you take a sip of your drink yet? You did? Did you like it? I'm glad. I would have grabbed you something else if that was the case. If you want, you can take a sip of my drink. It's actually not a cold drink. Yeah, you don't have to rub it in. I know it's a little surprising and not what I usually get, but it's fall, babe. Did you forget? I have to participate in seasonal festivities at least once. If you still want to try it, it's a pumpkin spice latte. It tastes good. So good. How's the taste? I'm glad. I figured you'd like it. Oh, I'm just trying to get ahead on entering all this data. I slept a lot longer than I should have this morning, so I was just gonna finish up the last few documents here. I'm almost done though. I just brought the remainder of it, so I won't be staring at it too long. Promise. So, how's your sleep schedule been lately? Mine's been pretty crappy if I'm honest. I think I need to start sleeping earlier or something to fix my sleep schedule. Or go back to taking some melatonin gummies before bed. I don't know. So? I see. Maybe I should go to a doctor to check on it. Could also just be my body missing yours, but it doesn't hurt to get a checkup every once in a while. But seriously though, is it because of work or is something else troubling you? Well, regardless of the reason, I hope we both start getting better sleep soon. I know I'm a freelancer, but I don't know if I'd want to go taking days off over a poor sleep schedule. I like my job. I earn a little more than a stable income and I get to treat my partner as much as I can. Just make sure you take care of yourself, okay? That's important. I think I might be almost done. I'm mainly just focusing on the files of this one client. They don't have that many. I've just been slacking, I guess. The other client I have has a lot more files, but I've already narrowed it down earlier today. Oh man. I really need to get myself a new computer. Well, I don't think I need to get a new computer per se, but I definitely need to get it fixed. It's been lagging a lot lately. It's been a while since I've done a checkup on this computer, so I have a few guesses on what it could be. No, I don't think it's anything serious. But if I don't treat it any better, it might become a whole lot worse. There we go. It's a little faster now. Babe, this is gonna sound a little weird, but have you done anything with your hair? Anything new? Okay, because I thought I saw something different. You look hot. I like it. I think you should do your hair like this more often. Actually, babe, you should let me do your hair. I want to see how you look in a few different hairstyles. I've been thinking of a few where I think you would look so cute. Actually, I've been thinking about inviting you over this weekend for dinner and some time after to ourselves. That would be the perfect time. Yes? I'm so excited. I love the feeling of your hair between my fingers. It just feels so nice. All right, and I'm done. Phew. Now I can finish my coffee with my partner in crime. I kind of want to try one of their buns. I was thinking of possibly getting a pork bun. It's been a while since I've had that. Up for a snack, or are you a little full from the coffee and breakfast? I don't think I'll finish it, so I'll split it with you. How's that? Does that sound better? You're so cute. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm excited. I can already taste it, honestly. Here, break off how much you want. Okay, did you want to take a bite together? Oh, is it a silly idea? Why'd you laugh? Okay, ready? It tastes so good. I'm glad I decided to buy this last second. It's been a while since I've had a pastry like this. We should make a few dates to try out all the sweets they have here. I think that'd be fun. So, is it as tasty as I make it out to be? Good. I'll treat you to more sweets from this bakery soon. I want to share these new tastes with you. Alright, I'm finished. Oh, it looks like you're done as well. Oh no, I forgot that I was supposed to run to the post office. I have to ship off this package before the office starts to get full. I don't want to get stuck in a long line after all. You know the postal office can get pretty busy around noon. Thank you for hanging out with me on this lovely morning, baby. I appreciate it. I'll walk you out to your car. Oh, I also left something at your house last week. Is it okay if I come by tonight to pick it up? Okay, I'll probably be there around 6. I have to put away my files and speak with my client about some documents. Alright, sweetie. Drive safe.